Engineered to withstand some of the harshest environments and conditions and built in coordination with Panasonic TOUGHBOOK G2 rugged tablet. Extensive testing ensures Gamber's new dock has earned its TOUGHBOOK certification and will offer rugged, reliable, and responsive performance for years to come. Featuring Panasonic electronics designed specifically for the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK G2 rugged tablet computer. Utilizing these OEM electronics allows this dock to match all port speeds and functionality through its port replication, while maintaining a fully charged tablet ready to undock at any time. Port replication minimizes wear on the tablet itself and will increase the longevity of your devices through vibration dampening as well as port failure due to overuse. CNC machined aluminum finished with anodized and powder coat finish for an extremely rugged construction. These docks will be offered exclusively through Panasonic, and along with our partner brand PMT, are the only specific G2 docks available. For more information on the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK G2 rugged tablet docking station, visit our website at www.Gamber-Johnson.com/Panasonic.